2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. The latest KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition for the world's consideration. The most recent 450 SXF, the Factory Edition, always packs a few nice tweaks up its sleeve. Let us take a look at the 2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. The 2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition contains the elements introduced on the regular 450 SXF back in June 2020. Several engine tweaks result in both lighter weight and increased reliability, and the My KTM app and connectivity package now comes standard on all 450 SXF. KTM factory wheels, the factory seat with Sella della Valle stamp, an orange frame, factory triple clamp sanitized in orange, an orange rear sprocket, a composite skid plate, and a Hinson clutch cover. You also get the factory hole shot device in the front fork, as well as a semi-floating front brake disc, and a front brake disc guard. The Red Bull Racing graphics are derived from KTM AM a Supercross 450 SX championship efforts. While KTM factory racer Cooper Webb rode away with the 2019 championship title, his 13 podiums and 4 main event victories in 2020 brought him the runner-up title, on the bike that inspired this limited edition factory edition. KTM says this factory edition will be produced in limited numbers and sold worldwide. What do you think of 2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.